Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something very special for the Lemon. I'm going to go and get her a new exhaust. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so yeah, as I said, she's getting a new exhaust today. Full stainless steel system. This thing will be a thing of the past. But before we go, let's just remind ourselves how she sounds as it stands. Got some funny looks from the neighbours then. I'm not sure they appreciated that. But be careful I don't get an ASBO again. Okay, here we go. Off to get my new exhaust. Quite excited to see what it's going to sound like. The exhaust on my old car was from there and it sounded pretty awesome. So hopefully this one will sound pretty good too. Although last time I made the mistake of not getting a middle box in it, which meant on the motorways it was completely deafening. This time, however, I will be getting a middle silencer. Yeah, so let's go. Let's all take note of the exhaust sound I currently have in the car and out of the car. Let's see what the difference is like. Of course, getting caught in all the morning traffic, but means I can listen to the exhaust tone. Quite pleasant, not offensive. Is my new one going to be offensive? Let's find out. Right, here we go, Top Gear exhausts. They're going to do a sweet job. They're down in Bredury. I'll leave links to them down the description below. I'm going to leave the old girl with them and they'll get her sounding sweet. Okay, here we go. It sounds pretty awesome from the outside. I'll show that to you in a little bit, but let's see what it sounds like inside. That sounds nice. Might be another headache inducer. That's definitely a bit louder. Sounds pretty tasty though. Let's see what it's like on the motorway. Okay, let's give it some welly. Sounds pretty nice. And it's not too loud at this sort of speed as well. That is much better than my last car. Miles better. Thanks guys. Anyway, let's get home and you can have a listen to it from the outside. Right, motorway cruising. It's not too bad. Yeah, that's okay. Don't think that'll give me a headache. Maybe it will. Okay, here it is. My new exhaust tip. Full system sounds pretty sweet from inside the car, but the big question is going to be, how does it sound from the outside? I already know because I've heard it, but it's time to reveal this to you and probably everybody within a quarter-mile radius. To my neighbours, I'm really sorry, and to Helen, my wife, I'm also very sorry. I don't think you're going to like this. Let's have a listen. better not go too ASBO on it. Yeah, the real test will be in a tunnel. I'm going to try and find one nearby. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think of my tip. Check out some of this awesome MK2 Golf Stories merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, cups, all sorts of good stuff, beanies. Not that you need them in this weather. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, let me know. Give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video again soon. Bye bye.